This is Akhil's phenomenal. What shoes are these?
Stacey Adams.
Stacey Adams. Are you serious?
Yeah.
So Akhil wears Stacey Adams. That sounds like lingerie, dude. And it's broken and it's getting repaired in the middle of Disket.
Throwing our time frame out.
Yeah, so we are like even more late now. It's 12:35.
Perfect.
So I instructed the man to put nails inside so Akhil can't remove his feet also.
I'm crucified.
Yeah.
Stacey Adams is a proper outdoor brand. Just because you don't know.
Stacey Adams sells lingerie.
They don't.
Whatever, man. Sounds like they would. Are you proud of yourself?
Can you hang on to this?
Are you proud of yourself?
Very. This shows that I'm using my boots more than you.
Oh, really?
Pretty feet.
Yeah. Stop spending on certain people and start spending on yourself.
Shut up.